I've already packed my Camino Inglés gear into the Outdoor Inoxto backpack. But what happens when I try the Cotopaxi Allpa 28? Will everything still fit? Or is this bag just too small for a week-long Camino? I'm Melissa, and my son Noah and I are getting ready to walk the Camino Inglés in spring of 2026. We're testing backpacks, clothes, and toiletries now, so we're not scrambling at the last minute. This video is part of our Camino Countdown series, where we share our training, planning, and packing. Today, it's all about seeing if the Allpa 28 can really handle a Camino capsule wardrobe, and I would love your feedback if you've walked with this bag or another favorite. Okay, so I packed the Outdoor Inoxto. So the next thing I wanted to pack was this Cotopaxi 28-liter Allpa. I wanted to put this out here because I forgot to tell y'all last time. I did pack a buff. This is the Cotopaxi 28-liter Allpa. This is what it looks like when it has the rain fly on. I packed the exact same things that I packed in the Inoxto. I packed them in the Cotopaxi. I have done some Googling, and there have been quite a few strong opinions on the Cotopaxi as a hiking backpack for the Camino. So I just wanted to give it a go because I haven't done it before. There was a difference in weight, 6 ounces difference in the weight of this one empty and the Inoxto empty. This does have padded straps. I think these straps are more padded than the Inoxto was, and it does have a waist belt. The waist belt does not have those little accessory pouches on it, just a simple belt. So on the front, it does have a coated TPU. Here are our famous pea cloths. Again, I use the same exact things. I have the glasses where I'll have my sunglasses and my eyeglasses and my fanny pack. I didn't seal it up, so I have plenty of room down here. This will have exactly the same things it had in my last pack. You can see how much room was down there. So once this is full, there'll be room for that. Again, I'll probably be wearing this, but if I'm not, just like in the Inoxto, I slid it in the front pocket. I wanted to have an option to do the same thing here. Have you guys packed the Cotopaxi before? I've taken it to Europe and I love it. It's just a very well-made bag. It also has a laptop pocket and a pocket here for your tablet. I'm not taking my laptop. I'm not taking my tablet. So what could I put back there? I was thinking rain jacket and the little inexpensive rain poncho when I'm not using it. And then if I need it, I can get to it easily. What do you guys think of that idea? I will say the zippers, the quality of the zippers is superior to the Inoxto, but that's to be expected because this is a premium backpack. This backpack was $200, but you can see it packs more like a suitcase than a traditional backpack. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We have exactly the same things down to the slippers. I do have the dry bag with my topo shoes inside of it. And inside my topo shoes, I have my underwear and my 2 pairs of socks. And then I have the vacuum bag. I don't use the vacuum bag. You have to carry the pump with you. I just did the kind that you just roll it and it presses the air out. So as you can see, it packs pretty easily in here. I have my first aid kit, same exact first aid kit as before. And I have my green powder and my electrolyte. I have my journal and my pen, my foldable curling brush, my toiletry kit, my electrical kit that has my chargers and my adapter plugs. What do you think? It's a little more weight, not significantly. I was kind of surprised. It doesn't have a place for a hydration bladder, but like I told you, I'm not planning on using that hydration bladder. This pocket here is for the rain fly. So this can be kept in here if I'm not using it. These are better. The back is different. You know, the other one I showed you, it had that external frame that allowed air. I like that it can be carried like this. So when I'm on the plane, when we're flying to Rome, over to A Coruña, because we'll be taking a train to Ferrol, having the option of backpack or carrying it like this, I can unclip the backpack straps. So if I did that, then I could and I can do the same thing with the belts. I can easily tuck them in down here And that gives me a real clean back, real clean silhouette here. I have a grab handle here, a grab handle here, a grab handle here. So when it's up in the luggage compartment, I can pull it out easier. So I can see some real advantages with this bag. So 5.0 kilograms, 9.9, 10 pounds, something like that. Keeping it under 12 pounds. That's amazing. The measurements are about the same. What do you guys think? Cotopaxi 28 Allpa. The next bag I'm going to pack is this Osprey Daylight Plus. I've had this one forever. I love it. It's much smaller, much lighter. Straps are not padded. It does have a chest strap and it does have a very flimsy waist strap. But if the weight isn't very much, then the waist strap doesn't become as big as the factor. So what do you guys think? Got the Cotopaxi. Gonna pack this one next. Okay, so that's the Cotopaxi Allpa 28-liter packed with my full Camino gear. I am honestly surprised at how it fit compared to the Inoxto. But I want to know what you think. Which pack looks more practical for the Camino? Drop your comments in the comment section below. Up next in our Countdown Camino series, I'll be testing the Osprey Daylight Plus. We'll see how it handles the same gear. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. This packing pilgrimage is far from over. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the Points and Miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.